Hello students, hope you all are doing good. So today I am here to make some 2 to 3 announcements for you guys. So the very first announcement is you were very much eager to have a YouTube live session with the candidate who is working as AE in WRD department. Yes, so tomorrow at 10:30 a.m. that is on 24th July 2021 we are having a YouTube live session with Mr. Sharan Police Patil who is working as AE in WRD department. So wherein we will be discussing about his preparation strategies and what is his work profile, as well as you can ask him any questions with respect to the government exams straight away. And the second announcement is on Sunday, that is on 25th, we are conducting a free WRD full length mock test. So at 10 a.m. and the test will be available from 25th July 2021 10 a.m. to 26th July 2021 10 a.m. That is, this test will be available for you for 24 hours and it is totally free. So I recommend you guys to take that test and you can analyze where you stand. But do not panic with respect to whatever marks you are getting. Just consider this as a practice test for your time management and all. So whatever the marks you get, do not get demotivated and all if you get less marks. So just consider it as a practice test for you. And one clarification I would like to make with respect to the WRD hall ticket which the students have got just 2 days before. So whatever the information I share with the students, I confirm it because that information was available in KPSC official website. So whatever the information is available in official KPSC website, so we cannot keep calling them and ask you whether it is authentic or not, because the KPSC entire website itself is authenticate. So whatever the information is available there, I share that information with the students. So do not have any confusions. So adu by chance fake aiti illa. See, when the information is available in official website, we cannot say it as fake. Maybe there can be some technical glitch, but you cannot use the word as fake when the information is available in the official website. And do not spend much time with respect to that. ಬಹಳ ಜನ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗನ ನೀನು ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ನಾನು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆತು ಆಗವಲ್ತು, ವೆದರ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಫೇಕ್ ರಿಯಲ್, ಡೋಂಟ್ ವರಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ that. Because if you are not able to download, there can be some internet issues or any technical glitches, because they should see to it that every candidate whoever have applied for this particular exam should get the hall ticket. So they will definitely make the provision. ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಪೇಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋದೇ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಡನ್ ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲರದು ಹಾಲ್ ಟಿಕೆಟ್ ಬತ್ತು, ನಂದು ಡೌನ್ಲೋಡ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಪೇಷಂಟ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಮಚ್. ಸೊ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡಿಂಗ್. ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಎನಿ ಡಿಸಿಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಹೇಸ್ಟ್. And one more point I would like to say with respect to calculator. Yes, you can see that calculator is not allowed, which is clearly mentioned in the hall ticket. So just 2 weeks before, I had made a video how you can score well in numericals. So if you had watched that video, which I had uploaded 2 weeks before, and if you had followed whatever I had discussed in that video, then there won't be any problem with respect to the numericals. So maybe they will not ask you lengthy numericals for this particular exam because they are not allowing the calculator. They can ask you very simple numericals. So I always suggest you to just go through previous year's GATE questions, IES questions and all the government exam questions and even SSC JE questions. You will be able to answer any kind of numericals because we can expect at least around 25 to 30% numericals in the exam. And in my video lectures, the students who have purchased, they will be definitely knowing ki at every point I try giving the tips with respect to the theory as well as numericals, wherein I keep saying for the student ki there can be some situation ki you will not allowed to use the calculator. So how you can solve this particular numerical without using calculator. So all the tips I have given, but the students whoever are preparing on their own, still you can follow the video which I had uploaded 2 weeks before. I will share that link in the description. You can click and you follow that accordingly. Definitely you will score really well in the numerical part also. And for a particular numerical, if the formula is very lengthy, do not skip such formulae because they will ask you to identify those formula in the exam. There will be just a small decimal changes, raised to changes and all in the formula. So ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಇದು ಲೆಂದಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಐತಿ ಅಂತಂದ you will skip that. You should not skip anything when you are preparing for any competitive exam because they can ask you different ways in the exam. So they will ask you to identify. So numerical part, you try giving more concentration on that along with the theory. And students are getting panic. They are feeling ki when the calculator is not allowed, then how can we solve numerical, because we will not be able to complete the entire question paper in 2 hours. See, if you have studied seriously, very much genuinely, and if you are not getting the time, just think others will also be not getting the time. So everyone will be on the same level only, and the competition remains the same. ಸೊ ಡು ನಾಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾನಿಕ್, ಡು ನಾಟ್ ವರಿ. ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದು ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರಿಗೂ ಅದೇ ಡಿಫಿಕಲ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ತೈತಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿತ್ ರೆಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟ್ ಟು ಜನರಲ್ ಸ್ಟಡೀಸ್, ಯು ಕಾನ್ಸಂಟ್ರೇಟ್ ಮೋರ್ ಆನ್ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ವೆರಿ ಹೈ ವೇಟೇಜ್. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೀಸನಿಂಗ್, ಪಾಲಿಟಿ, ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಅಫೇರ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ GK. So concentrate on all these 4 subjects first, and then you can give the importance for history, geography and GS, because at the 11th hour you really need the smart way of preparation rather than completing the entire subject very much in depth or spending more than 1 week for entire subject. And whatever the inputs I give in any particular video, I try giving the practical inputs, and if you follow, definitely you will come up with the flying results. I am 100% sure of this. Just follow, because what you guys do is you just take our advice but you will not follow. Don't do like that. Just try following. And earlier also I told you, try giving more than 15 hours of your time per day. Come out of your comfort zone, sacrifice your sleep just for 1 week. Definitely you will get very, very good results. So that is the reason for you guys, we have arranged a YouTube live tomorrow, where the resource person has completed engineering in the year 2016 and he got selected in WRD 2017 exam only. So he will share his journey through that video, and we will try keeping that video very short so that you can devote more time on your preparation. So what I felt is you just need these kind of boosting sessions in between. So for you guys only we have arranged this session. So take the benefit of this session. So attend tomorrow in YouTube at 10:30 a.m. without fail.